Hello everyone, welcome to geekermag. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix game chat not working on your PS5. Whether your voice chat is muted or you are having trouble hearing friends, this quick guide should help you everything working again. Let's get started by pressing the PS button on your controller. From the menu that appears at the bottom of the screen, scroll down to Game Base. Once you are in a game base, go to Friends section, then press Options button on your controller. Select Go to Game Base from the menu. Now look for the game base setting icon on the right side of the screen and select it. Go to voice chat settings. Here locate mute game voice chat option and make sure it's disabled. If it's currently on, switching it off to unmute game voice chat. Next, go back to home screen, then open settings by selecting the cogwheel icon in the top right corner. Navigate to users and account, other, and then select Restore Licenses. Check the box for all the games, then press Restore button. Wait for around 5 to 10 seconds until the restoration is complete and you see the confirmation message. Once done, press the PS button again, go to the power menu and restart your PS5. After rebooting, your game chat should now work as expected. If this helped you in fixing PS5 game voice chat, then don't forget to like this video and subscribe the channel to get notifications about more similar videos. Thanks for watching.